Hi everyone, I received a smart lock as a gift. Let's open the box, show everything that you get. Then we're gonna go outside, install our gate, and show you all the features. So you get a lock. You get USB-A to micro USB cable. The user manual. You get an emergency key to open it if you need to. Lock is IP66 waterproof rated and it's fingerprint. You get micro USB port for charging. Standby time is 12 months. Right out of the box, it will open with any fingerprint. You need to set it up. To set a new fingerprint, you press and hold till blue light starts flashing. Then you touch a keypad 6 times with different positions on your finger till you get a green light. Green light confirmation means successfully register a new fingerprint. You can lock it. It's able to unlock with that fingerprint. Works the way you intended. You can save up to 50 fingerprints on this lock. It is IP66 waterproof rated. Means you can keep it outside in the rain. Should have no issue. And it's got 250 milliamp hour battery built in. So we're gonna use this lock to lock our gate to the backyard. Works. I'm gonna spray some water on it like it's raining. Should have no issue opening after this. It works. Took a lot of water, but still opens. If you're looking for a smart lock for anything that you want to use that's a fingerprint, you should definitely take a look at this really nice product.